Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial on how to register for Smith & Company online auction using your laptop, your desktop computer, or the web browser on your phone. If you're wanting to register via our app, please refer to the tutorial titled Using the Smith & Company Auction app. Before we begin, know that you do have to have a valid email address to register. It doesn't matter if the email address is with Yahoo or Google or who the server is, but you do have to have a valid email address. Also, you will be asked to provide a unique user ID and password that will be specific to the Smith & Company bidding application. So let's get started. First, go to the Smith & Company website by typing smithcoauctions.com in your web browser. From here, click on the Bid Online button. Current auctions will be displayed on the screen. As you can see here, we had a few going on. Find the auction you're interested in and click the Register to Bid button on the page. Once you click on that button, you will pull up a bidder login box, and if you've registered before, just type in your username and password and you'll be taken on into the bidding platform. But of course, this tutorial is for those of you that have not, so you would click on the blue box that says New Bidder, click here. The first step is to verify a valid email address. As I mentioned before, each account has to have a valid and unique email address. So type in your email address and then you'll type it in a second time to confirm your email address. Once you have done that, and my typing is slow, then you will check the email or click on the check email button. Keep in mind that if you have registered before and you go through those steps and you click the check email button, it's going to give you a pop-up box that says you're already registered, or that you already not registered, but that you already have an account. And so at that point you would need to reset your password or give us a call. So our next step is to fill out all of the required information on the form accurately and in its entirety. You'll need to enter a unique username and password, like I mentioned. Please maintain your username and password in a safe place because you will need this later to log in. Confirm the password, check your desired account options, and then click Create New Account. A welcome screen will show that your account has been created. Click the OK button, and this will take you to the credit card screen. Click the Add a Payment Options button. This is where you'll add a payment method to your account. Please enter the required information and click the Save and Return to Registration button right there. Last, you'll add the 3-digit security code to verify your credit card. A $1 temporary charge will be applied to your card for validation, and that charge is removed. This says within 5 to 7 business days. Typically it's much quicker than that, but that is how we validate that you are a real person and that you can pay for your items. Before submitting your registration, be sure to include any notes that you want us to see or the auctioneer to see. For example, let us know that your farm tax ID number. You can give us your number and your expiration date and email a copy to our office. You might want to let us know that you have your taxes exempt for resale. Maybe you want to let us know that the card you're using on file to validate is not the card that you would prefer to use to pay out. Anything like that you can put in these notes. And then after reviewing the terms and conditions and you've looked over those carefully, and you've also reviewed when pickup is, etc., then check the acknowledgement box, click the submit registration button, and then a box will appear that says you've been successfully registered. So you can click OK, and then you will now see a red highlighted area that indicates you are registered. A couple of quick notes. We highly recommend that you do not wait until the last minute to register to bid. You don't have to bid right when you register. You may want to wait and place your bid at a later time, but by registering in advance, you can feel assured that you understand the bidding tools and that you've had time to review the pickup times, the payment terms, etc. It's also important that you familiarize yourself with all the terms and conditions before bidding. The terms of our sales are non-negotiable, so please be sure that you read over that carefully. Thank you for your interest in our online bidding process. Of course, if you have any questions, you may contact us at the office at 580-254-3975. Happy bidding!